Bambu Lab A1 and A1 Combo Filament Sensor Troubleshooting. This video is based on the official Bambu Lab Wiki Filament Sensor Inspection Guide, using the A1 series section. If the printer reports a filament extrusion or filament detection problem, start with the A1 filament hub test. Remove one tube from the filament hub. Then insert a short piece of filament manually. On the printer screen, open the filament page and watch the extruder icon. When filament is inserted, the icon should show a small green dot. When the filament is removed, it should change back to a small white dot. If the green and white indicators change normally, the filament sensor is working. In that case, check other causes, such as a clogged nozzle, broken filament, stuck filament in the path, or spool feeding resistance. If the indicator does not change correctly, inspect the A1 filament hub sensor. Use a wrench to gently pry open the filament hub cover and remove it. Be careful, the filament sensor base has dampened grease and may feel sticky. Use an H2.0 Allen key to remove the two screws on top of the 5-way base housing. Lift off the housing carefully. Do not pull forcefully, because the cables can be damaged. Now check inside the filament sensor for trapped filament pieces, dust, or debris. Use an H1.5 Allen key to remove the two screws on the hall board. Insert filament again and observe the sensor arm. It should move freely and automatically return when the filament is removed. If the arm is stuck, gently move it left and right and clean the pivot area. Reinstall the hall board screws. Place the 5-way base housing back, tighten the two top screws, align the locking tabs, press the filament hub down, and lock it in place. Restart the printer and repeat the green dot test. If the dot still does not change after cleaning and reassembly, the filament sensor or hub assembly may need replacement. Always follow the official Bambu Lab Wiki for your exact A1 or A1 combo model before replacing parts.